Hey guys, Brian here with Mustang Ecoboost Garage, and today I'm going to unveil the giveaway contest. So, in my previous videos, you guys may have seen that I'm giving away a hex grill kit that I purchased from customcargrills.com. And basically, the kit is composed of, the hex grill material, and for the lower piece here, it goes in the center portion of the lower grill. I've already done my modification to the grill that I'm going to do, and I still have the box that it came in, so I'm just going to ship this out to the lucky winner, and today we're going to unveil the contest. So basically, the contest is going to be this. What's my next mod? Here's the box right here that I purchased already. I'll give you guys a couple of hints. It's going to go on the car. It's something that it's been on my wish list for a little while. It's less than $150, I'd say, and it's a generic version of something that you can purchase on all the big websites like CJ Pony Parts. So basically, just let me know in the comments section below what you think is in this box, and whoever answers correctly first wins the hex grill. That's it. I was initially planning on waiting until my subscribers had gone above 300, but I can see that that's going to be a long and arduous process, so I figured why not go ahead and give this thing away now, and maybe that'll boost the subscriptions a little bit. Maybe this video will. Please like and share it, and maybe we'll get it above 150 before the actual giveaway, but I do plan on giving this thing away within the next couple of weeks. So just go ahead and put your answer to the question in the description below or in the comments section below, and if you guys get it right, whoever gets it right first is going to be the one who wins the hex grill. So just want to wrap this up, say thanks guys again for all the subscriptions that I've got so far. You guys are the best. Any questions you might have about the car or any of the mods that I've done, feel free to ask. I try to get the responses back as soon as possible. Yeah, and I hope you guys like the content so far. There's going to be more mods coming before the end of the year, and a lot more next year as well. I do definitely plan on keeping the car going to the track and doing some drag racing. I do plan on getting some drag radials here pretty soon. That's not what's in the box, obviously. So yeah, just take your guess and give it a shot, and we'll see what we can do. If you have any questions about installing this, then please feel free to hit me up. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Once again, Mustang Ecoboost Garage, your place for all the mods on your S550 EcoBoost Mustangs.